Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you my Christmas decor home tour or apartment tour, and there's a lot less decoration than I've had in past years just because I have less space and less surfaces to put stuff on, but I'm really pleased with the way it turned out and wanted to share it with you. When you first enter through the front door on this little coat closet here, we have the Santa's mail bag where I put overflow of Christmas cards. I've had that up in past years and it works out really well. Then as you walk in, on the kitchen table I've got this red poinsettia because I thought it went nice with the red tablecloth, and then just a little Christmas candle and candle holder. Then over here I've just got my Mickey and Minnie Countdown to Christmas. Got this a number of years ago at Disney and I love it. It's a great little countdown. And then up above the cabinets here I put some lighted garland along with a couple of Jim Shore Santas and Christmas books, and I've never really utilized space above cabinets, but there was so much about these that I thought, ooh, that'd be a good place to add some decor. Then I have my snowflake soap holder. Just makes the normal bottle of soap look a little more festive for the holidays. And then here in the guest bathroom, I didn't do much. Doesn't honestly get used much other than from Duncan, but I put the little band of snowmen and another little candle there, and Duncan is curious, so he's going to jump in the shot. Then here in the living room there is of course the tree, and I decided, since it was my first time on my own and my apartment look overall is kind of pink chic, that I would do an all pink tree because I've never done an all pink tree before. So there are some silver and lighter colors mixed in, but it's mainly all pink bulbs, and then I found some sparkly ribbon, so it's my pink sparkly tree, and I absolutely love it. Most of these, no, not most of these, all of these ornaments I got at Target. And then the tree skirt I found on Amazon because it was rather tricky to find a tree skirt that didn't have red or green in it. And they have pink ones, but I didn't know how I would like the pink tree skirt with all the pink on the tree. And they have those white fluffy furry ones too, but I thought that would just tempt Duncan even more, so I opted for this little sequiny one, which I like. And for the first time ever, I don't know why I waited so long, I got timers for the lights. And it makes it much more convenient because when I get home from work, the lights are already on. I don't have to plug them in and out all the time, which is especially helpful for outside. So these little lights come on, and I'll show you it from the other view. Over here, we've got Frosty hiding under here, and behind Frosty is Duncan's tree, but we'll see if he uses it this year because last year he was afraid of it, so I don't really know how he'll feel about it this year. Then we make our way into my bedroom where I've strung some garland along the back headboard. I've seen that done on Pinterest before, however they have much different headboards than I do. So it was a little interesting to get it on there, and I don't know if it's going to stay or be annoying, and especially with Duncan, who knows how long it will last, but right now I think it looks pretty and gives the bedroom a nice Christmas feel. Because I didn't really have anywhere else to put the garland. I thought about putting stuff under the TV, but Duncan would just play with it, so I gave up on that idea. And I've got these battery operated candles that come on, and then I have my little pink tree that I've had in past years, but I had these little battery operated fairy lights that are on a timer. I added them into the tree and it gives it more life. So that is it for my Christmas decor home tour. I know it was short and sweet, but I'm happy with the way it turned out, and I think it will make this season feel very fun and festive and cozy.